Hi, I am going to give you a demo based on your requirement for the Funder Matrix. Let's start step by step and I will explain each functionality one by one. First is application submission. Application submission, which is a custom object. The object store the details submitted by the customers or or users through our website. These details comes into Salesforce via jot form and can include information such as tax, ID, bank statements, etc. Currently, I have manually created sample data in this application submission object for the demo. In the backend, we have an automation process that runs when a new application is submitted. It's check whether this user already exists. It verifies if the user has previously received funding or was marked as fraud. If everything is valid and this is a new user, Salesforce automatically creates record in their other objects, records in other objects, application submission, opportunity, and contact as a merchant, account as a merchant, contact, and lead. After this record after these records are created, we can also configure owner assignment based on the business type. Example: home-based business can be assigned to a different owner. Here is the owner email, submission source. Other types of business can go to a different owner. Second, customer details and opportunity. Next, we can open the application submission records. Here already we have to view customer details. From there, we can check the related opportunity. On the opportunity, we can see details such as how long the customer has been in business, months in year. This one, it means the user filled the details and 15 years, 0 months had, and FICO scores and other important fields. Third, funder as eligibility check. Now we move to the funder matrix where we check which funders the customer is eligible for. The screen shows customer details and provide two buttons. These are the customer details came from the opportunity, and here we have two buttons, save and continue. So the functionality of the buttons save and continue. First is a save and continue. Any changes made by the owner to customers detail will be saved track to the opportunity, not to the application submission, only in opportunity. And second one is continue, allows the owner to check eligibility without saving any changes. Okay. Fourth, understanding funders. Funders are the financial institution or providers who check if the customer qualifies for funding. Each funder has a specific eligibility condition. For example, customers should be from certain states. Business should be at least 2 year old. Some funders allow home-based business, some do not. These are the examples, not the mandatory conditions. It's depend on you. If a customer does not meet a funder criteria, they will be restricted for that funder. Okay. So now funder matching. I will give you an example to how funder matrix is work, the functionality, how it's working. So now we have these details, which values came from the opportunity, and I will go to the forward, click on the continue. Here you can see it's showing me to matched. It's a green tick. It means the funder, this one is a funder values. This column this column values came from the funders, and these input column values came from the opportunity customer details. So in the funders values depend on the conditions, and this column is the customer values. So all customer values are matched So that's why it's showing me to matched condition. Otherwise, if I if one values or some values are not matched the condition to that funder, so it will not matched, it will show the restricted. Okay, so let me give you one example here. So I will change the position value is 5. Also one more thing, I will show you the funder record which I created for the testing purpose. This is my funder record, and these are the values I filled that for the testing purpose. And here I used the restricted states. It means uh, I chosen some states, means these funder not allowed to funds those customers who belongs to these states. Okay, and also one more condition is no home based business, means this funder not allowed to those customers who has the uh, business is a home based. Okay, so let's come to the funder matrix page, and here I changed the position is 5 and state is this one, and save and continue. Okay, so now you can see this the position value is 5, but this the funder value is condition is 4, so it's a crossing the limit. Customer value is crossing the limit funder value, so that's why it's showing the red. Also the state is already restricted by the funder, so this state is restricted, so that's why it's showing the restricted. Okay, and also it's not matched because this funder means it's this funder is not give the fund to this customer. Okay, because it is a restricted and condition not matched. So now I will change 3, and this one is okay, and save and continue. Now you can see it's matched, means the condition are matched, means customer is eligible for this funder. Okay, so now uh, I will move forward. I will select this funder from this plus icon, means this funder is selected for this customer. Okay, you can add the more funders, it's depend on you. Create the record funder here in the funder object, and it will appear here, and you can check and which funders condition match to this customer. Now click the next. Here the funder name which I selected, if it may be it's 2 3 4 and it's more than one, but now for the testing purpose I selected one. Click on next. Here we have two options. You can add if you have some additional emails, like you want to send these details to other one or someone, so you can choose the yes button and you can add the emails here. If you don't have, then you can select the no. Also the second option is if you want to add the sentence or text, uh, or you want to add some text to send this mail, so you can select the yes button and add the text here. Otherwise you can select the no. Click the next. Here we have on the opportunity record only one file we have. For the testing purpose I uploaded that, but in the real time the customer uploaded the bank statements, so it will appear here, and you can select the which bank statement you want to send to the funders on email. So I will select this one. Click on the next, and then it will send to the mail to the owners, and if you given the email ID, then it will also select it. So after this it will create the offer for this opportunity or this customer. So in the offer tab you can see this funders given the offer to this customer. The record will appear here. It's an inline editable. It's allowed to the inline editable. You can click and edit the offers. Okay, also you can create if you want. So also I added the loss reason automation here. It's not appearing here because we don't have records now, but it will appear when in the real time. And the loss reason, it means when the customers is lost or the some reasons. So it will show here like what was the reason, why this customer is lost. So it will appear here. So this is the process.